Exploring idioms, hit paydirt in the English language. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English idiom, hit paydirt. This phrase might sound a bit mysterious, especially if English isn't your first language. But don't worry. We'll explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, hit paydirt, is used when someone achieves sudden success or discovers something valuable, especially after a period of effort or search. It's like finding a treasure after a long hunt. This idiom is commonly used in business, personal achievements, or even in casual conversation when someone finds what they have been looking for. To understand this idiom, let's take a quick trip to the past. Hit paydirt originated during the gold rush in the mid-19th century in the United States. Prospectors panned for gold, searching for soil or gravel, dirt, that contained significant amounts of gold. This was the paydirt. When they found it, they literally hit paydirt, both finding valuable material and achieving success in their search. Now, let's see how hit paydirt is used in modern language. 1. In business, after years of developing products, the company finally hit paydirt with their new smartphone. 2. Personal achievement. She hit paydirt when her blog suddenly gained thousands of followers overnight. 3. Casual conversation. I hit paydirt at the garage sale, finding a rare book I've wanted for years. Interestingly, hit paydirt can be varied slightly while keeping its meaning. You might hear, struck paydirt, found paydirt. These variations are less common but still convey the same idea of achieving success or making a valuable discovery. I hope this exploration of hit paydirt has been enlightening and fun. Remember, idioms like this add color and depth to your English conversations. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll hit paydirt in your journey of language learning. See you in the next video.